Alrighty, I got an email a few minutes ago from a student requesting that I do a homework problem and post it to YouTube, and I went ahead and added a similar problem asked a different way dealing with ratios. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is from number 11 off of the assignment I gave you today, and it basically says, okay, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 are 4x, 7x, and 6x respectively. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in, and so we have 4x here, 7x here, and 6x. I don't know what x is. It's a variable. It could be 5, it could be 20, it could be some other weird number. Who knows? And one way to do this is I know that I'm going to use the angle addition postulate. This is basically a linear pair, even though it's a slight misnomer. This all adds up to 180. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to add all these up and it equal to 1. Well, there's 10 plus 17, so 10 plus 7 is 17x is equal to 180. And I know that's not going to go in evenly. It's going to go over a little over 10 times. So I'm going to use my calculator. 180 divided by 17. I'm going to get some kind of decimal answer. And that's not unusual in mathematics. In fact, it's really kind of rare to get a whole number because most of the numbers out there are fractions and decimal type stuff. Whole numbers are pretty rare. So I'm going to have 10.588 blah blah blah. Because this is just an example and we're doing practice on definition, I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. Normally we wouldn't do that. We'd extend it out a little, so I'm going to do 10.6. That is my x. I take my x, my algebra answer, and I plug it in here, here, and here. And I'm going to use the calculator to do that because the Rangers lost, my brain is dead, and I have no intention of doing mental math on this. Not even going to try. So here we go. 42.4 for this guy. All right. So 42.4, 42.4 for angle 1. Angle 2, I'll just go ahead and do this in the calculator. 7 times 10.6. 74.2, and then the last guy, 6 times 10.6, 63.6. All right, so we would just simply substitute those in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. And I got a dog and a cat staring at me through my office window. Hello, kitty. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. The ratio is 2 to 3 to 7. Let's take a look at this. So here we have three angles. 1, 2, 3. All right. So what we have is three angles equal to 180. This is the exact same problem. I didn't have to draw the picture. In fact, I'm going to get rid of the picture. It's going to go bye-bye. All right. Boom. And I'm going to go ahead and set this up algebraically. You saw similar problems like this in algebra. The ratio. So this represents the angles to x. So this is nothing more than twice x plus 3 times x plus 7 times x is equal to 180. And as you can see, this is a very similar problem to the previous question. It's just worded differently. I'm going to add these all up. That's 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12x is equal to 180. That looks like it will go in 15 times. And like I'll show you on the calculator, 180 divided by 12. Boom. I'm still depressed about the Rangers. Oakland is now... Ooh, we can't have that. All right. So x is equal to 15. My mind's on the baseball game. I can't do math. All right. I take that 15 and plug it in to find my geometry answers. So I know that's going to be 30. That one is going to be 45. And this one is going to be left over from 75, so 105. And I could throw it in the calculator and find out. There's my three angles right there. So look at these two problems, practice them on a blank sheet of paper, put it on pause, go back to the beginning, and work them. Even though you know the answers, it's the doing that is going to get you into memory. Watching this video, nah, you ain't going to learn. As I sit in class, I minored in piano. I never learned how to play the piano by watching other people. You're not going to learn math by watching me. You got to practice it. See ya.